Grade 12, we're looking at Analytical Civil 5, and the site plan is given here of an existing warehouse, and there's a new proposed logistical center that's going to be erected, and a guardhouse as well. So we're going to look at the questions pertaining to the site plan here, and I'm going to zoom in immediately and start with the questions. So question number 1 asks for the checking of the drawing, and you're going to go down to this area over here in your title bar, check by Luke, and Luke's name you're going to put in there. So that's Luke. And then the next question is, what is the number on the stand? So you're looking at the stand number, and that number you're going to find right there, 7392. So that's going to be stand 7392. Okay, what is the number of the electrical substation? So we're going to go to the electrical substation, and we're going to find that. So here you will read about the substation, and the number there is going to be 8789. So in our section here we're going to write 8789. Okay, and then the next question is, how far is the refueling point from the fuel tanks in meters? So we're going to look at that. There's the refueling point. There would the refueling tanks be, and there's a distance here which is 30,000, and that could be written in meters as they requested, and it's going to be either 30 as is or 30 meters, 30 m. Okay. How deep is the municipal sewer connection? So we're going to find that quickly. So we are moving right down here. There is the MH, and that tells you that the sewer connection is 1.2 meters deep. They don't ask it in meters or millimeters, so you could actually write the 1.2, or you can write 1200 as it is there, would suffice as answers. How many gullies are shown on the site plan? So on your plan you are going to see that there are 2 G's here. That is where your gullies are going to be found. You only see 2 of them, so you're going to write in your answer as 2. What does the abbreviation IE stand for? That is very straightforward. That's inspection eyes. Inspection eyes. Inspection eye. How many palm trees are shown on the site plan? You're going to go to the site plan. You're going to count the site. Before you do that, you need to identify that these are actually the palm trees that you will see there, and you're going to count all of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 2 at the bottom here will also be added, so that's going to be 8 palm trees there. What is the maximum permitted distance between the lampposts in meters? So we're going to look at the post here on the site plan here. You will find then that they are here. These are the lampposts that you will see there. They go right around, but you're probably not going to find the answer there, because if you're going to go to the symbol on top, you're going to find that the spacing between must be 50 meters center to center. Alright, so you're going to write in here 50 C/C. What is the combined capacity of the underground fuel tanks in cubic liters? The combined, so you're going to go to this existing 2 times 40 cubic liter underground level storage tanks combined, so each one, and there are 2, 70 and 70, so you will have 140. So that's going to be either 140 liters, or you can say 2 times 70. Okay, that will give us the same answer. Um, Besides the trees, what other natural feature is indicated? So if you scan over your drawing, you're going to find that there's the orange river that flows right there. So the river is the other natural feature. So orange river. Okay. Let's look at the next question. What does the line at 1 indicate? So we're going to go to number 1. And your number 1 you're going to find right there. That refers to the electric fence. So you're going to write in the electric fence. Electric fencing. Okay. So you can write fence or fencing. What does the line at? So we're going to go to number 2, and number 2 refers to this here, which says here, this is the 50-year flood line. Okay, so it's a flood line. That is going to be 50-year flood line of the river. Okay. Name the feature at 3. So we're going to go to number 3, right down at the bottom here. That is the North Point. North Point. So very important, North Point. And then number 15, in what color must the new sewage line be indicated on the drainage plan? And that's going to be without a doubt brown, according to our SANS color codes. Which elevation of the proposed new logistics center faces the new parking area or the parking bay? We're going to go to the logistics center, which is here, and there's the new staff parking that you need to find the direction, but you need to link it up with your north point here. So if that is north there, that's your north, this is your south, that now becomes your west, and that becomes your east. So it is going to be in that direction there. So it is between south and east. So the answer is going to be southeast. You're going to write in the southeast, or you can write SE, would be suffice as well. And then 17, what is the distance between the boundary line and the building line on the northeastern side of the stand in meters? The northeastern. So we're going to go back to our symbol, and you're going to find that north is here, east is there. It is going to be something that's on this side here of your stand. And what you're going to find is you're looking for this distance between the boundary line and the building line, which is 6200, which means it's 6 meter 200. So you go back to our answer block, and they want it in meters, 6.2 meters. Or just merely 6.2. Be okay as well. Number 18, in the space provided here, you please need to calculate the perimeter of the stand in meters. So you're going to go back to your stand, there's your stand, and you're going to find your meters, your A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A in this surveyor's diagram over here. So you're going to find that 2 of them are the same, shorter sides, and 2 of them are the longer sides. So it's a perfect rectangle. Right, so basically what you're going to have is you're going to have a stand that looks like that, with the 2 shorter sides here and the 2 longer sides over there. So all you have to do is you have to add up all of these, and remember your answer must be in meters. The commas are already in the same line, so it's just an answer. So for the 3 marks you need to write down the various lengths and add them. Let's do that quickly for you. So here I've taken my sides. The only difference is you need to be careful that The decimal actually is slightly different. These are the same, but the decimal are slightly different in both instances of the lengths. But ultimately you get an answer of 735.23 meters. Right. Let's go to the next one in the space below as provided here. Question number 19, the total area of the proposed new logistics center, which is that there. So I'm going to break this up into 3 parts, and I'm going to work each part separately as A, B and C, and then I'm going to add them eventually to get my answer. Let us do that quickly. So I've used the method like I explained, and there we have A, 28.5 times 19.5 gives us 555.75. B, 21 by 24 gives us 504, and then C would give us this part here where we have 34.5 times 27, and that gives us 931.5. Altogether added, we are going to find 1991.23 meter square. Is very important, and you know how we mark that specific question. Number 20, in the space provided here on top, you are going to draw freehand the front and the top of the SANS 10143 graphical symbol for a wash tub. And you start with your top view. It's always a square and a little line there to show the slant and the trap there, and the front view will just be a rectangular box like that. Simple as that. Half a mark, half a mark, half a mark, half a mark, half a mark for that side, half, and a half for being it freehand. Alright. Thank you.